How do I use my e-gift card in store?
Hello, shoppers. Today we're going to tackle a common question. How do I use my e-gift card in store? You might have received an e-gift card for your favorite store, but you're unsure how to use it in the physical store. No worries, we'll guide you through the process in simple, easy steps.
What is an e-gift card?
An e-gift card, also known as a digital or electronic gift card, is a gift card that's delivered electronically via email, SMS, or app. It works just like a traditional plastic gift card, but it's available instantly, making it a convenient, last-minute gift option.
How to prepare your e-gift card for in-store use?
Before heading to the store, you should locate your e-gift card information. Usually, an e-gift card will come with a unique card number and a PIN or barcode, delivered to your email or mobile device. 1. Find your e-gift card in your email inbox, text messages, or app. 2. Make a note of the e-gift card number and PIN, if there is one. 3. Save a digital copy of the e-gift card to your phone or print it out if you prefer.
How to use your e-gift card in store?
Now that you have your e-gift card information, you're ready to use it at the physical store. Here are the steps to do it. 1. Shop as you usually would, and go to the checkout when you're ready. 2. Present the e-gift card at the time of payment. Show the cashier the e-gift card number and PIN from your phone or give them the printout. 3. The cashier will enter this information into their system, and the value of the e-gift card will be subtracted from your purchase total.
What if I have problems?
If you encounter any issues while trying to use your e-gift card, don't panic. You can ask the store staff for assistance. They should be familiar with the process and be able to help. If the issue persists, contact the customer service of the company that issued the e-gift card for further assistance. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to use your e-gift card in store. Don't let that digital currency go to waste. Happy shopping, and remember to check your e-gift card balance regularly to make the most of it. If you found this guide helpful, let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.